In this video, we will see introduction and exercise 16.1 of chapter Playing with Numbers, Standard 8th. Let us start our new chapter, Playing with Numbers. Now, before starting this chapter, we have to remember few points. Now, maths is a subject full of fun, magic and wonders, as we all know. Now, a two-digit number whose tens digit is A and unit digit is B can be written as 10 into A plus B. Suppose the value of A equals to 2. So 2 multiplied by 10 gives 20, that is 20, and value of B equals to 4, that is 20 plus 4 gives 24. Now here a 3-digit number whose 100 digit is A, 10 digit is B and unit digit is C. It can be written as 100 times A plus 10 times B plus C, where A should not be equals to 0. B and C are whole numbers. It can be any whole numbers. Now a number is divisible by 2 if the unit digit of the number is divisible by 2. Now any number whose unit place is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0 are the number can be divisible by 2. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digit is divisible by 3. Take for example 333. So when you make a sum of it, that is 3 plus 3 plus 3 gives 9, and 9 is divisible by 3. So we can say that any number whose sum is divisible by 3 is a number divisible by 3. A number is divisible by 5 if the units digit of a number is either 5 or 0. As we all know, any number whose unit place is 0 or 5, it is divisible by 5. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digit of the number is divisible by 9. Here also, in this also, as we saw in 3, if the sum of a digit of any number is divisible by 9, so we can say that such number is divisible by 9. Now, a number is divisible by 10 if unit place is 0. As we all know, take for example 100, 200, 500, 50, 20, all such number whose unit places are 0 are divisible by 10. A number is divisible by 11 if the differences of sum of alternate digit is either 0 or divisible by 11. Alternate means sum of alternate digit means, suppose take for example if sum of alternate digit means the sum of all the even places number and odd places number digit at a even places. So first we will see the sum of odd places number, that is first and third, that is 1 plus 3 is 4, and the sum of digit at odd even places number, that is sum of 3 plus 1, again it gives 4, and the differences of such is 0. So here it says it can be either 0 or it can be divisible by 11. So such numbers are divisible by 11. Let us start exercise 16.1. Find the value of the letter in each of the following and give reason for the steps involved. Now here if you observe question number first, 3 plus 2 A plus 5 gives B and 2. If we observe unit place, sum of unit place, here it is given 2, and sum of 10 place, here it is given B. So here we have to find the value of A and B. So write down first, here we have two letter, that is A and B to find. Now by observing the ones column, see here this is a ones column, that is if we make a sum of A plus 5, it should be a 2. So by taking any number which is smaller than 5, it is not possible to get 2. So we have to take a number larger than 5. If we add 6 to 5, we used to get 11, and here it is unit place is 2. So we cannot take 6. So next number of 6 is 7. So if you add 7 to 5, so it gives 12. So 12, so here it is possible to get a unit place 2. So 7 is such number, that is the value of A should be 7. So 7 plus 2, that is 12, and 1 carry, and we have to find, now you have to make a sum of tens column, that is 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is the carry. that is 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6. So value of b should be 6. This is how we used to get both the value. That means we can say that the value of a is 7 and value of b is 6. Let us see the next sum. 4 plus 9 gives cb and a plus 8 gives 3. So now what should be added to 8 to get 3? So now as we all know, that is 5 plus 3 gives 13. 5 plus 3 gives 13. As 8 is greater than 3, so 5 plus 3 gives 13. So that is the value of a is 5 and 5 plus 3 13, 1 carry. Now make a sum of tens column. That is 1 plus 9 10, 10 plus 4 14. So that means value of c and b should be, value of c should be 1 and value of b should be 4. That means 1 4 3. So let us see. So this is how we got all the value. That means value of a, that is 5 we took, and value of b is 4 and value of c is 1. 5 plus 3 gives 13, 1 carry. 1 plus 9, that is 10 plus 4 14. That means the value of c is 1, value of b is 4 and value of a is 5. Now next question is 1 multiplied by 1a multiplied by a gives 9a. So now here we have to find the value of a. So since as we all know, 1 when multiplied by 1 gives 1 only, so we have to take such number whose multiples unit value is also same. So it is possible only with 1. Then next number, that is 5. So let us check with the 5. See here, 1 multiplied by 1, that is 1. So if we take 1 over here, so here also you have to take 1 and here also you have to take 1. So everywhere we used to get 1, but when you multiply this 1 with 1, so you should get 1 over here, but here it is given 9. So with 1 it is not possible. So next number it is possible with 5. So we have to check with the 5 whether we should get this value 9 or not. So when you will take 5 into 5, that is 25 to carry, and see here 5 5s are 25 to carry, and 5 1s are 5 plus 2 7. So here it is given 9, not 7. So with 5 also it is not possible. So next number is 6. It is possible with 6 because as we all know 6 6 are 36. So see, 6 6 are 36 and 3 carry, and 6 1s are 6 plus 3 9. So here we got 9. See, so that means 6 is such number, that is value of a equals to 6. Now let us see sum number 4. b plus 7 gives a plus 3 gives 6. Now here we have to find the value of letter a and b. Now by observing the ones column, that is b plus 7 should be equals to a, but here in ones column both the values are missing. So let us go with tens column whose sum, that is a plus 3 gives 6. So what should be the value of a? So it can be 2, considering the value of, keeping in mind the value of carry also. So if we take 2 over here, that is 2 plus 3, that is 5 and 1 carry. So let us take the value of a as a 2. So now in ones column, if the value of a is 2, so sum of what, that is sum of a number with a 7 should be equals to, here the unit place is 2. So that means its sum of 7 with a number should be equals to 12. That means if you add 5 to 7, it gives 12. So here the value of b should be 5, that is 5 plus 7 should equals to 12 and 1 carry, and 1 plus value of a is 2, 1 plus 2, that is 3, and 3 plus 3, that is 6. So this is how we can say that the value of a is 2 and value of b is 5. Let us see sum number 5. AB multiplied by 3 equals to CAB. Now here 3 should be multiplied by b, its values should be equals to b only. So here in all we have to find the value of 3 letter, that is a, b and c. Now let us start with unit place. So 3 should be multiplied by b and its value should be b. Unit place value should be b. So either it should be 0 or 5. So if we take 0, the 3 zeros are 0. Or if you take 5, the 3 5s are 15 and 1 carry. So now if you take b equals to 0, so its value should be look like this. And if you take b equals to 5, its value should be look like this. Now, if now unit digit, that is 3 multiplied by a, should be equals to a. So by taking 0, again if you take 0 over here, so you will get 0 over here. So it is not possible, because if you take 0, so it become unit digit number. So obviously again you have to take 5 only. So means 3 5s are 15. See here, 15 means unit place is 15 only, and 1 will come over here. So we can say that value of b should be 0. So you will get 0 over here, and value of a should be 5. That is 3 5s are 15 and 1 over here. That means the value of a is 5, value of b is 0, and value of c is 1. See here, value of a is 5, b is 0, and c is 1. Let us see sum number 6. A b multiplied by 5 gives CAB. Now here again we have to find the value of 3 letters, that is A, B and C. Now first let us start with the unit place, that is b multiplied by 5 gives b. So it is possible only if 5 is multiplied with 0 or 5. So if you multiply 5 with 0, so you will get 0 over here, or if you multiply 5 with 5, you will get 5 over here. So see, it's same like, that is 0 multiplied by 5 gives 0, and rest of the things same. 5 multiplied by 5, that is 5 5s are 25 to carry, and 5 into a, rest of the value same. Now here you can, and then again 5 multiplied by a gives a only. So here you cannot take 0, as if you take 0 it will become single digit number. So here obviously you have to take a 5 only, that is 5 5s are 25. So 25 means 5, if you are taking 5 over here, so 25. Now see here, 5 5s are 25. So its value here, if you take 5 over here, so 5 5s are 25. So 5 will come, we should get 5 over here. So no carry should be there. So here this, that is the value which we had taken in unit place, that is 1 times 0 and 1 times 5. So that this value is not possible. So if you take 5, so here you will get carry over here. So we don't want carry, because 5 5s are 25. So here obviously here you have to take 0, so that you can get 5 5s are 25 and 5 over here. So 5 over here, and in the value of c you will get 2. So that is 2, 5 and 0. So your final value will be 250. Thus value of a is 5, value of b is 0, and value of c is 2. Now let us see sum number 7. A b multiplied by 6 gives b, b and b. So here we have to find the value of a and b. So now if we see, so 6 should be multiplied by what to get the same value? So it is possible with 6 only, that is 6 6 are 36 and 3 carry. Now if we see any number multiply with b, you should get b, b and b. Now here it is possible only if the
value of
b are 222, 444, 666 and 888. So if you multiply 6 with 2, so we get 12, then 1 carry. Then here you have to take some number, so that you should get again the same value. When 6 is multiplied with 4, so 6 4s are 24, carry 2, and you should take some number over here, so that you should get 4 and 4 over here. If you take 6, that is 6 6 are 36, so here also it should come 6 and 6. If you take 8, 6 is a 48 and 4 carry, so here also you have to take some number, so that you should get 8 and 8 over here. Now one by one what we'll do, if we divide this number by 6, means this number by 6 means keep on dividing each number, that is 2 divided by 6. So your remainder, if you divide each number, so your remainder, your question should be A2, A4, A6 and A8. So let us check one by one whether we used to get the quotient or not. When you divide this 222 by 6, when you divide 222 by 6, it is equals to 37. the remainder is 0, but the quotient is not equals to A2, means here A2 is not coming. Here 2 is not coming. When you divide this 444 with 6, so here we used to get 74. So here the quotient's value, that is here 4 we used to get, and the value of A should be 7. So when you that is the value of B should be 4 and value of A should be 7. So when you multiply 6 with 4, 6 4s are 24, 2 carry, 6 4s are 24 plus 2 44. So this is how we used to get our value of A and B, that is 7 and 4. Let us see sum number 8. A1 plus 1B should be equals to B and 0. Here we have two letters to find, that is value letter A and letter B. Value of two letters to find. Now by observing such, sum of 1 with B should equals to 0. So it is possible only with when 1 is added to 9, so that is 1 plus 9 equals to 10 and 1 carry. So value of B, if we see, so it should be equals to 9. Now A plus 1 should be equals to B, and here B we had taken 9. So here the total should be 9. So 1 plus 1 already 2, and if you add 7 to 2, so you will get 9. The value of A equals to 7. So this is how we can say that A must be 7, that is 1 plus 9 10, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 2 plus 7 9. So this is how we got the value of A and B, that is 7 and 9. Let us see next sum number 9, that is 2AB added to AB1 equals to B18. Now here 1 should be added to B, it should get equals to 8. The 1 should be added to what, so that it should equals to 8. So if we take 7 over here, the 7 plus 1, that is 8. The value of B equals to 7, must be 7. So here if B is 7, so here also you have to take place a 7 over here. That means A plus 7 is 1. Now 7, now what number should be added to 7 to get 11? So as we all know, the 7 plus 4 is 11. So value of A should be 4. So write down, that is value of A must be 4. So that is 4 plus 7. So this is how we used to get all the value. Here only two value to find, value of A and B only. So if A is equals to 4, so place the value of A, that is 4 over here, that is 2 plus 4, that is 6, and 6 plus carry 1, that is 7. So 7 here, whatever we had taken the value of B as a 7, so here also you have to put 7 and you should get 7 over here. So we used to get 7 over here, and the value of A is 4 we had taken, because 4 plus 7 is 11, 1 carry, and after placing the 4 over here, the 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7. So here value of B also we got 7. So this is how we found the value of A, that is 4, and value of B, that is 7. See here, this is how we have to do. Let us see sum number 10. Now here 1, 2 and A added to 6, A and B equals to A, 0 and 9. Now here if we start with a 1's column, here both the values are missing. A plus B equals to 9, we don't have the value of A and B. So let us check the tens place, that is 2 plus A equals to 0. So 2 should be added to what to get 0? So 2 should be added to 8 to get 0, that is 2 plus 8 gives 0, that is 10, and 1 carry over here. So that means we got the value of A, that is 8. So now here we got the value of A as a 8. So 8 should be added to what to get 9? So 8 plus 1 is 9. So we used to got the value of B also, that is 1. Now here check, that is 1 plus 1 2 plus 6 8. Yes, it is tallied, that is we had taken the value of A as a 8. So this is how we found both the value, that is value of A, that is 8, and value of B, that is 1.